Juicy, crispy and packed with flavor. This homemade kebab wrap might be the best thing you'll make this week. Well, hello there, I'm ready from your dinner and welcome to a new episode. First, grate the garlic and one big onion. The onion juice helps tenderize the meat. It's worth the tears, even if I get emotional every single time. Add a splash of olive oil. I'm using beef today instead of lamb because I'm not too keen on eating animal babies. So this keeps it nice and juicy. If you're using lamb, you can skip the oil. Season with salt, pepper, cumin, oregano, smoked paprika and just a pinch of cinnamon. Give it a quick mix, then add the beef. Now comes the workout. Knead it for about 10 minutes until it turns super sticky. You're looking for a texture almost like bubblegum. This step is key. It helps the protein bind so the meat holds its shape when cooking. Shape it into a long cylinder and pop it in the freezer for an hour to ferment. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Wrap the meat in aluminium foil, keeping that same cylinder shape. And bake for 45 to 50 minutes. Plenty of time to work on your tan or do something else. Once it's baked, let it rest for 10 minutes. You'll see that some juices has come out of the meat. That's pure flavor. Do not throw it away. I'm not gonna lie, right now it looks like something my dog produces out of his backside. Slice up a red onion and toss it in with some sumac. If you've never tried it before, you're missing out. It's seriously good. Now for the fun part. Slice the meat as thin as you can. But watch your fingers. Look how juicy that is. To get that classic kebab texture, fry the slices for 1 to 2 minutes using the meat's own juices. Don't waste flavor. Use it. Time to build the wrap. Start with garlic sauce. Add fresh tomato, the sumac onions and some lettuce if you like. Pile on the crispy meat. Finish with a little more sauce and wrap it up. I'll cut it up for the sake of showing it to you and just look at that. Delicious! You can add more sauce or meat or whatever you want to the wrap. It's all up to you what to do. Just make sure to follow the steps and you can definitely make this yourself at home. Just make sure to have a lot of fun while doing it. That's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and the subscribe button if you want to see future videos of me and you like this video. And of course, I see you in the next one.